to write you a song for years, but I'm not sure what to say. I can't stop crying, although you've been gone for years. I wish that you could have stayed. See, I walk down the aisle someday soon, but you want me there to walk me. I'm not mad, oh. I take that back, I'm furious. I didn't take my chance to tell you goodbye, and I love you. Oh, I love you, Charlie. If I could see your face one more day, oh my Charlie. So many things I want to say, like I miss you and I won't forget you, and this love will last, this love will last forever. Forever, yeah. Too many Merry Christmases, many happy birthdays that you have missed. I think about the things that could have been. Cheers to the future where you will not see. I want to make you proud. I hope you're in heaven smiling down. Say hello to the angels now. Well, I'm still your angel now. Oh. Charlie, if I could see your face one more day, oh my Charlie. So many things I want to say, like I miss you and I won't forget you.